Hello guys, again today with a new video. In today's video, we will be discussing the importance of a good forex broker in algo trading, and not only in algo trading, but how we can choose a good forex broker. Because forex broker, the broker which we are using for forex trading or for algo trading, is very important. The In the next lesson or in the next video, we will discuss something very important, which is the spreads and the swaps, which really affect our trading. Not only the algo trading, but also manual trading. If we are doing manual trading, then the spreads and the swaps, the different account types, how they work. This is very important. In today's video, we will discuss the importance of a good forex broker and how we can look for a good forex broker, or how we can find a good broker which we can use for our trading, either for algo trading or for manual trading. For algo trading, we usually go for an account, which is account types. We will be discussing it in the next video, but just a hint that we always go for a low spread and swap free account. We try to look for something which is swaps free and which has very low spread. So because algos, when they open a position, and if the market deny or the price change, because prices are changing very quickly in forex market. Sometimes, when you open the chart, and if you are aware of the chart and you are looking on the charts, if you see the prices are moving up and down very fast. So if an algo is opening a position, for example, at 0.091, for example, at 0.091, and the price quickly moved to 0.095, then the 091 will be rejected. And maybe the price, if you are on market mood to open the position on market price, then it will open at 0.95, which will of course affect your profits. So the importance of a good forex broker or good broker is something really, really important, and you should look into that before opening an account with any broker. Here we will go through some of the points which I write for you guys. The first thing is trustworthy, regulated, and registered. So how we can check if a broker is trustworthy, is regulated, and he's registered? I have opened some of the brokers' websites, XNES, IC Markets, and then RoboForex. So to any of the broker, when you go to their website, just go down to the bottom of the page, their main page, and there you will see their registrations and their regulations. So this is, for example, Access is a security dealer registered in with registration number this. Okay, there are also a BV security intermediary registered in. I don't know, I cannot read the name, but they're registered. So if you want to look on these things, you can just search it. You can Google it and you can get the details. If I go to IC Markets, and you see IC Markets is a global trading non-profit trading, which is regulated by the Financial Services Authority FSA with security dealer license number. This is their license number. So if we go to RoboForex, for example, you can go down, and there we go. They are also, a registered broker. Moreover, you can go to investing.com, and you can there is a lot of things in investing.com which I'll suggest you guys to just check it on a regular basis. If you are doing manual trading, you will see here a lot of things which will benefit you. But today we are here to check on the brokers. that which brokers we can use for our trading. So here, if you go to index, major stocks, there is somewhere brokers. I saw it. Uh, Technical brokers. Here we go. So if you see here, currency brokers, for example, and you just open the page, uh, you will see the list. I'm sorry, my net is a little bit, you can see here the brokers, like for example, XNES is there, eToro is there, FE Markets, FX Pro. Because I'm not affiliated with any of them. I'm not in partnership with any of them, so you can choose it for yourself, whatever you think that it's best for you. But please wait for the second video. After we will have another part of this video, which will be the swaps and the leverage and the spreads. After watching that video, you can go for any of the broker of your choice, and you can open an account. So this is how you can check the registration and regulatory authority of the broker. The second thing which is important is the markets offered. For example, if you see here, XNES, they are offering Forex CFD, commodities, stocks, index, and cryptos. If we come to the IC markets, okay, there you will see that they are also offering something very similar range of products: Forex CFDs, commodities, index, bonds, digital currencies, stock CFDs, and futures. If you go to the RoboForex, there you will find something very similar, that they are you can trade with RoboForex. Now the market is important because you never know today if you are trading forex, and tomorrow you suddenly decide that you want to trade cryptos also, or you want to trade something else. Then if your broker has already offering all those options, then it will be great and it will be easy for you. The third important thing is the registration and verification process. Usually, you have to verify with your national ID card or your passport, and then there is some address verification process, which I will go through another video when I'll register a new account with any of the broker, and I'll show you a step-by-step process how we can go through the registration process. But just look for something where the registration process is easy and simple. Some of the brokers, they need a lot of details and a lot of other things, which makes things horribly difficult. I will not name some of the brokers, but I have encountered with some of the brokers where the registration process was so difficult and so lengthy that I even didn't complete it. I just left it in between, and I moved to another broker. Another thing which is the most important is the deposit and withdrawal methods. There is a lot of policies when it comes to deposit and withdrawal with different brokers. They have different policies, and usually I have seen a lot of people who they are complaining that I am trying to withdraw my funds, but I am unable to withdraw. That's because of their policies, which we didn't check in the start. When we opened an account with them, we didn't bother to go to get the details of the deposit and withdrawal methods or the policies. We just opened an account, and then we stuck with our money on with the broker. So whenever you're opening an account, reach to their customer services, check with them on the deposit and withdrawals. For example, I have stuck some of my cash with one of the broker. Their policy was that if you pay through a credit card, you cannot withdraw it to any other, for example, Binance Pay, or to cryptos or to Bitcoin. You cannot withdraw it in any other method, but you have to wait. First, you have to refund the whole. And my mistake was that I deposit almost $3,000 from my credit card. So the process, and I pay my credit card, and then I close my credit card, and when it was time to withdraw the money from that particular broker, then they said that no, you have to withdraw the $3,000. You have to refund it to your credit card. Then I have to go to the bank. I have to reopen my credit card. That was a very lengthy process. So whenever you deposit cash, your hard-earned money to any broker, make sure that you check the deposit. For example, the withdrawal methods. For example, here is the deposit and withdrawal methods. Um, Payment methods for your convenience. You can check. You can go through all of this, and in case you have any other questions, you can reach out to their team, their support team. If you go to the IC markets, I think they should have something called deposit and withdraw, how to deposit, how to withdraw, and with Robo Forex also you will find this information on hand and initially when you go to their website. So that's again something important which you should take care of. The fifth thing which is important is the account types. Different broker offer different account types. For example, which I will discuss in the next video in very detail because that's something very important. So just basic things today we will discuss that all the brokers they have different accounts. Prime, ECN, or stock trader. There should be cent account, Pro cent, and yeah, Pro. So with the here also we will have different accounts types, accounts overview, and yeah, here we have raw spread. We have raw spread standard. You will see sometimes MT4, MT5 accounts. You will see the difference of the accounts, and the same thing go with XNES. You will find different types of accounts: standard account, professional account, demo trading account, and social trading account. So this we will discuss it in very detail in the next video because this is something of very important because this is what what we will be using in the algo trading or in the manual trading in the future. And if you choose the wrong account, you will have a lot of issues even in any type of trading. So we will be discussing this in the next video. The other thing which is important is the excuse me, the analytics, the signals, and the education. So most of the brokers they will offer you something called analytics, or some of the brokers they call it signals, some of the brokers they call it analytics, some of the brokers they name it different with different names. So this is also something very important which we will be using for our buying or selling, sell orders or buy orders decisions, and they help you to see where the market is moving. For example, I'm just using XNES and I'm using RoboForex. They have their built-in system which give you general idea of any forex currency, that where it's going, or it will go up or it will go down in the upcoming days, what is the support and resistance points. So yeah, so that's also important. You have to check, and you can check it with their customer support, that how we can, is there any analytics, is there any signals, is there any education, do you have any PDFs documents which can help me to work with different commodities or with different forex pairs. The seventh and another important thing is the customer services. Always before opening an account with any broker, try to reach their customer services just with some basic questions and see their response, how they're responding, how they're coming back, how they are answering. Is it quick? Is it taking too long? just try to send them an email, just try to communicate or see if they have a live chat option, if you can chat with them live for your problems. Because sometimes you'll have issues which you want to sort out quickly, but if the customer services is not good and they delay the issue or your question for a long time, then you'll be disheartened and you'll be like, oh my god, why I opened this account with this broker. So you have to check these things in the start, and before you even open an account or before you even plan to open an account, you should clarify these things. You should go to their customer services and you should check with them. One more thing which I want to recommend to all of you, whenever you are planning to open an account with any of the broker, just look for Trustpilot, okay, and just check the reviews there. I know many people will come back and something went wrong. Try again in a few seconds. I'm sorry for this. Many people will come back and they will say that there is some fake reviews or paid reviews on the on Trustpilot. Yes, it does. They always have paid reviews. They always have almost all every company who they're on the internet. They always have paid reviews. But when you go through the reviews and you read some of them, okay, I'm sure that you will find something which you really want to, which you are looking for. So just look on the reviews. You will see real people also who they are reviewing and they are giving their reviews for not only for the forex brokers or not only for the brokers, but also for the other thing also for any trading algo. If you want to check how it's performing, you just go to Trustpilot and you type their name and you look for the reviews. Any trading signal group, if you're checking, you just go to Trustpilot and you go make it your habit, make it a habit to check the reviews of the people about what you are going to invest in or where you are investing your hard-earned money. Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you learned something today and see you in the next video. Thank you.